Welcome once again to Foodie Down Bronx. Make sure you stay connected to us on Instagram at BronxNetTV, at Foodie Down Bronx, and follow me at the Hungry Dominican. On today's show, we'll be debuting our new Healthy Bronx Bite segment with our health and wellness correspondent, Mary Vin Rose, featuring Nada Qureshi of Nourished by Nadia. Then we'll meet food enthusiast and blogger, Brandy Bodega of No Ordinary Grub. But before we do all that, let's do what we do at the top of every show. Let's get into this week's Chew News. According to a Bloomberg report, we might be facing a French fry shortage due to cold and wet weather stunting the growth of potatoes. The potato crop forecast in the U.S. has been the lowest since 2010, according to a U.S. Department of Agriculture report. Potato producers here in the States have turned to foreign producers to help make up for the loss. As a result of this weakened potato harvest, expect to see higher prices for potatoes at your local supermarket. 23 states and more than 100 people have been affected by ongoing E. coli outbreak linked to romaine lettuce grown in the Salinas Valley, California area. Out of the 102 people who fell ill, 58 of them were hospitalized. The Center for Disease Control has advised anyone who sells any type of romaine lettuce from that region of the country to stop immediately. For more information, visit cdc.gov. A controversial fast casual Chinese restaurant has closed less than a year after opening. Lucky Lee's, which opened in April, caused some controversy when one of the owners of the establishment marketed their version of Chinese food as more clean and less oily and less salty than anything else available. The restaurateur, who is white, received backlash for her language that fed into racist stereotypes about Chinese food and Chinese-owned restaurants being dirty and unhealthy. Many criticized Ariel Haspel, a nutritionist whose intent was to sell Chinese-American takeout, such as fried rice and lo mein, from profiting from Chinese culture, while not understanding the context around Chinese-American restaurant menus. White Castle is recalling select boxes of frozen sandwiches because of the possible presence of listeria in its burgers, cheeseburgers, and jalapeno cheeseburgers. The recalled burgers have a best by date from August 4th, 2020, to August 17th, 2020, and are being removed from stores. For more information on this, head on over to fda.gov. All right, guys, that is this week's Chew News, giving you a little food for thought. Foodie Down Bronx will be right back.